Hi friends! Today a cappuccino maker from a coffee machine was brought in for repair. And then two plastic fasteners broke. I made two fasteners on a 3D printer. I made these fasteners something like a crown on teeth. I plan to prepare the place for planting by grinding it with a Dremel or a soldering iron. Then I will put my new fasteners there and glue them. But for better gluing from the outside, I will go through a hot soldering iron in order to mix the plastic and weld them to each other. Let's look at the result after 20 minutes of work. As you can see, the new fasteners are installed. We have glue inside and I soldered the outside with a soldering iron. Now I'll assemble it completely and let's see how it looks. As you can see, there are no gaps. The two parts are very tightly held together. I screwed in two new screws and the third one was torn off. I had to replace one screw with another one with a larger thread than it was. The cappuccino maker is now assembled and ready to go. Let me put it in place. Although it is quite difficult to do with one hand. This is how it is put on and then inserted into the Philips coffee machine. I hope the video was useful. See you soon.